Good afternoon. I'm on my way to the grocery store, but I have a little bit of an unboxing to do. Sorry, I thought my camera was there, but it's over here. Yes, my hair is a mess, but I'm just going grocery shopping. But I got a little package, so let's flip this camera down and let's see what we got. Okay, so I did order a diamond painting since I haven't done one in a while. I had this actually in my cart and I was ordering something for my mom and accidentally clicked on this because I forgot it was in my cart. Oh, I also can show you that I've transferred the image that I'm doing for Jim and Russell. Let's see if you can see it. You probably can't see it. Let me flip it around. Well, I'll flip the thing around, but you probably can't see it. But there's the wings. There's the branch. There's the skull in her face. There we go. So I'm going to start working on this one. Plus doing the underwater theme, which that will be the next video. And then the macabre. So let's get into this. My scissors back. So this is supposed to be a whale. And I know a lot of people say don't roll it this way, but I do it anyway. It works for me. Just kind of get some of those wrinkles out. And there's the picture. It's small, but that's okay. I like the art look to it. So here's the drills. Of course, it comes with your standard tray and tool and your wax. It looks like they gave me extra little Ziploc bags. So there are 22 colors. And as all of you know, I absolutely love the beach. So there's some really nice blues and turquoise. It's like a light blue, a light periwinkle. Kind of like a golden brown, fuchsia pink, red, like a country blue. Sorry, I keep going that way. I think my camera's there, but my camera's actually right there. Sorry. Another blue, darker blue. It's like an off-white, kind of like a golden brown. Okay, so as I was saying, I'm sorry I had to cut and splice this. Billy's mom came in and was asking me a bunch of questions, so I have to resplice this. So I don't know where I left off, but there's the whale again, and I was showing you guys the drills, so I'm gonna go over those again. There's 22 colors, and I was showing you guys the pretty colors. I really like that one because it's kind of like a fuchsia.
What is it?
It's drills.
Are you doing a thing right now?
I'm making a video. Do you want to keep interrupting me?
Maybe. See how she treats me, everybody?
Oh my gosh, ignore him. I've already had to do this twice. First his mom, now him. Yeah. Aren't those pretty? So I liked this one. Like I said, I didn't know that it went into my cart, but I stuck it in my cart a long time ago. because I like kind of the artsy look to it. I think it's really cute. This is going to look super cute in the bathroom. It would even be a lot nicer if nobody had to listen to the sawing of a rawhide bone for Bama. But oh well, that's the way it goes around here. Never get any privacy. Never. Now he's flipping me off, but whatever. Anyway, I hope you guys liked that. It was a fun unboxing. I'm still waiting for silence. I'm still waiting for a package from my daughter and an unboxing from Rolling Through Life. Some of the items that she made me. So hopefully those will come in tomorrow since they didn't come in today. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Okay, and as you can see, she wrote fragile on this side too. Sounds destroyed to me. Makes me really upset that the people at the post office don't pay any attention to what you write on packages. This happened to me when I was sending my friend Helen a picture and it came back completely destroyed. Oh man. There's freaking glass. Look at that. Look at that. The frame is completely shattered. That's the inside, the rest of the frame and the glass. Way to go, United States Postal Service. I mean, how in the hell does that happen? When you write fragile on things, what do they just throw it through a machine and they don't care? I'm glad I have another frame. Great. This is just freaking great. I just got glass in my finger. Fucking unbelievable. Oops, sorry. This is just ridiculous. I'm so angry. I'm already having a not so great day. But that's okay. I will reframe it. She coated it with something to try to protect it. Okay, I will put another frame. Okay, here's this. Glass. I'll be back. I have to sweep the floor. Okay, so she sent me some stickers. Those are super cute. They're like the puffy kind. Love them. Oh, those are really cute. I don't know if you can see how puffy they are. Those are super cute. And a card. Just chicken. To wish you a happy birthday. I'm trying to be thick for Hawaii. You're just so funny. This is really cute. I don't know if she's going to get mad at me for reading this online, but this is really cute. Just checking in to say happy birthday to my mommy. You're growing up so fast. I can't believe how big you're getting. You're continuing to amaze. You're continuing to be an amazing woman, and never cease to amaze me. I love you so much, and I hope you love your president because that puppy was hard. Anyway, happy birthday, buckle up, because we're going to Hawaii. Isn't that sweet? I love you, honey, so much. If you're watching this, thank you. You are the best kid in the whole world. And I'm about to cry, but I'm going to call you right now. I love you so much. Sorry, I took my hair down on my ponytail. We just got back from the store. But anyway, I did have another frame, and this was what my daughter and her boyfriend Alejandro put together for me. I love you guys so much, and I'm going to put it right here so it's always out here with me. Get out of my chair and do it would be nice. To be where I can see it when I'm on camera. Actually, I think I'm just going to put it on my little easel. Let's see if I can see it. I'm going to put the painting I'm working on right there. And there it is right there. It looks good there. I love you. You are the best thing that's ever happened to me. And thank you so much, sweetheart, for putting that together for me. Mommy loves you.